Hi guys, welcome back to another cooking video. So in this one, I'm just gonna be preparing some barbecue chicken, and I'll be doing this in the oven for about 50 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then the last 10 minutes or less, I'll be transferring that to my air fryer and select the broil option. So right here, I'm just adding about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, rubbing that into my chicken. And my reasoning for doing that is so that when I add all the other seasoning, especially the powdered ones, it will stick to the chicken. All right, so there is some fresh garlic and some fresh ginger. That's about 3 garlic cloves, and I would say that's about 2 tablespoons of ginger. And I love to use fresh garlic and fresh ginger on pretty much all the meats that I cook. And here I'm just showing you the powdered seasoning that I'll be using. It's from that Maggi brand, and it's the chicken flavored one. They also come in jerk flavor. They come in fish, and I think it's vegetable all purpose. And I hear from my sister that they also have some other flavors, but she's over in the US, so it's not over here. So I'm just gonna rub that in, massage the chicken with all of those fresh and dry ingredients. I'll be also adding in some garlic powder. I tend to use wet, the fresh one and the powder one, whenever I'm doing meats. Once I have the two, I'll always use the two in my meats. And you can see I'm just rubbing those in, lifting up the skin and placing some of the seasoning into there, so when it all starts to cook, it will, it will soak in, and the chicken will come out very juicy, very tasty, very delicious. So I'll be adding about another not another, but about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And I'm not adding a lot because oyster sauce tends to have a lot of sodium, or the one that I have is not one of the less sodium category. So I'm just using this sparingly, and it's just giving a little bit more flavor and a color. And to that, I'll be adding this Baby Ray's sweet and sticky barbecue sauce. And I'm just going to add all of that, well, rub in all of that together. And then I'll just let that sit for about 4 or 5 hours. Normally, I would sometimes season my meats ahead of time or a day at a time, so it will sometimes sit overnight in the refrigerator. Or if I don't have enough time in one particular day and I'm busy, I tend to season my meat couple hours ahead of me cooking it. So just cover this and place it in your refrigerator, and then when you're ready, you take it out. So place it onto my baking tray right there. I slightly grease the surface of the baking tray, and I'll be covering that with foil so that it'll help to spring water cook better. And yeah, so then now within say 40 minutes of the cooking process, this is what the chicken is looking like. It's cooked, but I wanted it to cook some more, so I've gone ahead and turned it so it can get color and even cooking on each side. So this is what I said at the beginning of the video, that at the last couple of minutes of the cooking process, I will be transferring that to my Instant Pot air fryer oven, and I select the broil option, and it goes up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I tried to bring it down a little bit, but that was it. And I did it for 4 minutes, 2 minutes on each side. Turned it over also for the other side to get the color. Before you put the chicken in the air fryer, I lightly brush the chicken with some additional barbecue sauce and adding it into the air fryer at the using the broil setting. It just caramelizes the barbecue sauce onto the chicken and just, let it even taste better. So have this with your favorite side and enjoy. Please like and share the video, and see you in my next one. Bye.